Somebody mention birds?
Right, here we are. I'm not quite sure where we are, but we're in a mountain somewhere. This is quite close to my home, so I just thought I'd have a little drive out and just have a little explore. I can hear a blue-winged pitter calling, but not much else. There you go. Anyway, the reason why I've come out here today is just to have a little look around, and unfortunately I've got a little bit of bad news for you. So the little bit of bad news is that maybe this will be the last little birding video that you see for a while, because due to, what do they say, unforeseen circumstances. Well, it looks like I might have to sell my camera. I have a problem with the computer. I need a new graphics card in the computer, or GPU. That's playing up, so making videos is getting a little bit tricky at the moment. But yeah, it looks like lots of heavy finances to pay out this month, so it looks like I might actually have to sell my camera, which is not such a bad thing. It's going to put me out of action for a while, but it does mean that when I get a few bob back in the bank, I shall be able to buy a new one. But I have no idea when that will be. Yeah, it's nice out here. It's so quiet, nobody about. Can hear that blue-winged pitter. Whew. So, yep, I suppose this could be the last goodbye. So I suppose this is just going to be the end of it, I suppose. So I suppose we better get on with today's little video. Here we go. So this is a sunbird, an ornate sunbird, formerly known as the olive-backed sunbird, and this is a female. And this is a juvenile male. You can just see the blue throat starting to appear. But what a cool little bird. The ornate or olive-backed sunbird is probably the most common sunbird found in Thailand, and it can be found pretty much all over the country. And as usual, this one was found in my garden. This species of sunbird generally nests around May to June, and the nest being built entirely by the female. The nest takes the form of a hanging oval pouch with a sheltered side opening and often a dangling beard hanging from the nest. As with other sunbirds, they generally tend to be mainly nectar feeders, although they will take insects, especially when they're feeding their young. So, as we always say, if you want to see the bird, learn the sound. Well, finally this great specimen of a male bird turned up, and I'm not sure if he just liked the look of himself. So birds often do this with mirrors or windows. He can actually see his reflection, and he's having a go at himself, really. He thinks there's another male bird imposing on his territory, so he's trying to scare him off, not realising he's trying to scare himself off. Anyway, that's just about it for now for this little video. As I say, it's possibly the last one for a while. I do have some old footage that I can possibly use just for some shorts, but not really for main videos. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget like, comment, subscribe and all that. And don't forget, if you want to help out with the channel, there's a link below. You can buy me a coffee or a beer or a new camera. Nah, just kidding. Right, catch you on the next one. Bye for now.